Hey everybody, this is your girl, Eating with Food Without Roberts, aka the Personal Chef, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to assemble a Keter Box. This is a 165-gallon Keter Box that I purchased at Sam's Club. That's where they sell them at. Costco does not have them, but Sam's Club does for $100. And if you want to use a Keter Box, go on Sam's Club website, order your Keter Box, and follow the instructions. The instructions are super simple. Super simple. Even your husband can do it, ladies. Super simple. Okay? I did it. Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. And the only tool you need to put this together is a Phillips head screwdriver. That's it. Phillips head screwdriver. Done. So follow along on the video. And for those of you that are new to my channel, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscription button, notification bell, comment, like, share this video out with others, and let them know what the Personal Chef, aka Eating with Food Without Roberts, is over here doing, because I do more than cook, okay? I put things together, I take care of my daddy, I was going to say the old people, but I take care of the elderly. I put things together. I've been doing this all my life, and this is nothing different. This is just a part of who I am and what I do. Okay, so follow along on the video, and for those of you who would like to donate to my channel, there is a place for you to donate in the description bar below on my Cash App. It will be greatly appreciated. Everything helps. No amount is too small. I promise you, no amount is too small. But everything is, I'm thankful for everything that I receive, and I'm thankful for all my blessings. So, follow along on the video, get you a Phillips head screwdriver, read through your manual, assemble all your parts, and let's get this box built. Now, I've done 2, I have 2 more to go, and I'm waiting for the 3rd one to arrive. Now, I'm sorry, I'm waiting for the 5th one to arrive. See you on the video. Let's get to it. Everybody, this is your girl, Eating with Food Without Roberts, aka the Personal Chef, and today I'm coming to you with a tutorial on how to put together a Keter box. The Keter box is nothing but a large storage box, and mine is 165 gallons, and all I did was follow along on these instructions. For some people, following along with certain instructions, they don't always understand. And sometimes I don't understand, but most times I can figure it out. And I ordered 5 of these boxes. I've already put together 1. 4 came. I'm waiting for 1 more to show up. So I'm going to start putting these boxes together and show you just how easy it is. If you get a Keter box, it's very easy to put together, or you can call me up, and for a small fee, I will put it together for you. Let's get into the video. Okay. These boxes are heavy. I mean, I don't know what they weigh, but they're very heavy. So if you got some muscle around there, get you. It's better if 2 people do it, but it can be done by 1 person. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the box and assemble all of our parts. It's always good to have a box cutter or a good pair of scissors. Box cutter. Now mind you, I had to drag all these boxes to the backyard. I'm not sure what it is until I get everything taken out. So let me stop jumping the gun. Get everything out the box. This looks like the floor, but I'm not sure. Well, this is the sides. These are the 2 sides for the ends, the end pieces. That I know. out momentarily. Oh, these are the sides. These are the long sides. These two pieces, I remember that. These are the two bars. What you need to put this together is a Phillips head screwdriver. I kid you not. And that's it. Now, watch me work my magic. I'm going to take this pole, I'm going to insert it inside. Now I watched a tutorial on this after I had put mine together, and the guy said the hardest thing about putting his together is getting this piece in right here. So let's see. Break it. Just push it on down. And when you get to the bottom, flip it over and just let the ground do the work. Hardest part, done. That's done. Part 2. Get my instructions out. Some people like to try to put stuff together without looking at the instructions. They just look at it and say, oh, I can do this, I can do that. We have our 2 end caps, 2 and 2, so a total of 4 end caps put on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to insert the side pieces. First snap. Make sure you have it lined up just right. See these ridges right here? This is the outside. And there's a sign on here saying inside. Okay, we got our floor on. Now let's put the other side piece on. As you can see, the floor is on, the 2 sides are on, the long sides, the 2 smaller sides are on, and now we're going to lay it down. This is take the top, and the first thing thing you're going to do is you're going to put this long hard part on. Get them in position. Okay, this piece right here is called WL1. It's a part of the locking mechanism. It doesn't come with a lock, but you can add a lock if you so desire. This is for this, the lock. The locking mechanism goes on here. There you have it. This is our Keter 165 US gallon, put together by your girl, Eating with Food for Thought Roberts. The assembly is very easy. The Keter. I paid $100 per box, and I ordered 5 of the boxes, and out of the 5 boxes I ordered, 4 have arrived. Waiting for one more box, and this box is massive. It holds a lot. So if you're on the fence about getting you a Keter and you need extra storage space, like for your pool supplies, for your outdoor gardening supplies, whatever you need, do not be afraid of the assembly. The assembly is very easy. And this takes about, know what you're doing, you'll have this ready within 20 minutes. Just get everything lined up, read through the instructions first. That is so key. Read the instructions first, then start your assembly. Have everything laid out, and if you don't have a pad to put down, the box that it came in will work perfectly as a pad. Remember, when you're putting that metal in, don't try to force it in with your hand. If you can't get it pushed all the way through, flip it over, tap it on the ground, and it's going to push all the way through. That's the easy part. It's going to push all the way through. So, thank you everybody for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you took something away from here. Again, this is your girl, Eating with Food for Thought Roberts, aka the Personal Chef on YouTube, aka Eating with Food for Thought Roberts Facebook channel. Come on over and join my Facebook channel, Eating with Food for Thought Roberts, the Personal Chef on Facebook. I just got all kinds of stuff going on. And I would love to have you as a part of my team, and I would really love to have you as a part of my YouTube team and as a part of my YouTube family. So don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscription button, notification bell, like, comment, share this video out with others, because you may have somebody that's on the fence about trying to put this together, and if they can't put it together, tell them to call me, holler at your girl. For a small fee, I'll put it together. Thank you everybody for watching. I will see you on the next video. Thank you.